Product designers require high-strength, leak-proof hermetic seals. This is especially difficult when working with irregularly shaped or larger parts. Emerson's vibration process uses heat energy generated with one part stationary and the other moved in a linear back and forth motion. Emerson's clean vibration technology provides an energy-efficient solution that optimizes productivity on the assembly line, producing cleaner welds with less flash and particulates. Emerson's clean vibration welding provides customers fast cycle times for large part welding, delivering high-strength hermetic seals on complex, irregular shapes and a flexibility to handle a variety of materials. Emerson's clean vibration technologies are the only choice for multi-plane objects and curved surfaces to ensure high quality while meeting global standards